I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. So I just wanted to show everybody something real quick. This is Stupid After Hours Games, volume number 1. So basically, IFMK was on the watch list today, and we got a dumb short or even dumber seller, and I just wanted to show you what they're attempting to do. So today we had roughly, let's see here. We had roughly 256,000 of volume, but let me show you what they're trying to do. So basically, what they're trying to do is get everybody today at a loss, or for the most part, a good chunk of everybody today at a loss, right? Only this opening bar is still here, and it only cost them 770 shares. So what's going to happen is tomorrow's everybody going to wake up and they're going to see it's down, and we'll see if the guy continue to pushes in the morning, or the person, or whoever. But if they do, they're not. They're playing with fire, right? How much you think you're going to go back down here? Like I guess the short really wants 13 cents. I don't know. Anyway, so that's dumb game number 1. So this dumb game works both ways, right? Shorts and long. So LTNC, right? So we can see yesterday it closed at 0.0311, and today it opened up at 0.0321. So let me show you how stupid this is, and you make up your mind. You can trade it however you want. So if we look at after hours, right? How much volume did it trade today? Because today it finally went up in volume, and of course all the volume was selling. I don't know how many days it takes for you guys to figure this out. Let's see here. How much was today? Today's volume was right around 447 million. So what did it take for them to move it there to there? 447 million. This is 80,000, 1,040, 1,047. Oh, sorry, 1,497. See the game that got played here? And it only cost them 90,000 shares. This opening bar was 98 million. 90,000 shares to make you look at a big number to 9 million dump. Right? We can see this time after time. 1 second. Let's go here. Right? So here we go. We got this gap here to here. Right? How many shares did it cost them? 73,000, 29,000, 30,000, 1,700, 270. Right? So they got it from here to here with 350,000. What about here? See where we closed to here? See this big gap? Alright, 121,000, 20,000, so about 140,000. 143,000, 180,000, 250,000, 100,000. So 350,000 shares. So they could, so the sell-off could sell. So how much was this? Basically 300,000 shares. So the opening bell, it could be sold this much higher, right? From here to here. Right? From there to there. Only cost them 300,000 shares to be able to dump or sell off 106 million. 106 million, 300,000. What is that? So I'm going to try to record this piece again, but just to show you, from here to here, it's a 21% move. It only cost them 300,000 shares, and they were able to dump 106 million shares. Well, that's it for Stupid Games After and Pre-Market Volume 1.